When we teach our kids to ride the bike, we share the success criterion. Ride the bike smoothly without falling down. When we train the reinforcement learning agents, we do the same. We start with very simple scenarios and do step by step. Failure is not the problems. It is critical catalyst for the success. My daily job is trying to bring the reinforcement learning to the engineering domain to empower the engineer to work more efficiently, effectively, and safely.
We were one of the pioneers in BP in the industry leveraging reinforcement learning.
You basically have a brain and you reward the brain when it does a good job. So that's the whole area of reinforcement learning.
Decided maybe we can integrate this reinforcement learning technology in the engineering domain.
We named it Project Odin, and it focuses on the data you really need to focus on, analyze it real time, and then helps you confirm your decision making.
Each fracturing operation requires the frac specialist at BP to design the fluid and solid pump schedule. That is a very complex design. We try to integrate the reinforcement learning technology in order to enable the simulator to provide more accurate and timely prediction in the real time.
Having an advisory system that can double-check your decision-making makes the difference between a successful frac job and an unsuccessful frac job.
This technology has been tried with more than 30 frac jobs in 4 different fields.
AI is one of those key enabling technologies that really enables science and engineering, especially at BP.
This advisory system also provides the junior engineer more training. The frac job does not happen daily, so they have very limited opportunities. So they can choose any historian frac jobs to replay it, to learn how to make the right decisions.
Anything you can do to make your engineers better and faster and more effective pays off dividends much later on.
Reinforcement learning can be used in a lot of applications other than just oil and gas.
We use this technology for the wind energy.
We can simulate that here in the HPC, modeling winds around turbines and wind farm design and optimizing operations.
There are potential improvements in the annual energy production using this reinforcement learning technology to better decide all the turbines' rotation angles.
Yue is very sharp and she is very humble.
I see her as the future of BP. She's able to pick up a problem, look at it from the business side and the domain side, and then apply that analytical thinking.
The imagination is what impresses me.
My dad is a mechanical engineer who designed crane. When I was a kid, I loved to climb on the crane to learn how each machine works. This experience does spark my dream of becoming an engineer. I really hope I can have my own masterpiece that I can be proud of, like my dad.